friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and more. Hope y'all are having a great Thursday. It's almost the weekend, y'all. Today's video is hashtag new to me. It's an open collaboration that I host here on YouTube, and I would love for you to join me and share what is new to you. You can post on Thursdays or any day that you're able. Tag my channel, put in the hashtag in lowercase letters, new, the number 2, and then me. I'll come over and check out and see what you got going on. So it could be something gifted, something that someone had bought you, or something that you bought, and it could be anything. It doesn't have to be anything brand new. So the 2 items that I have today, I just have 2 that are new to me. The one I just found at the Dollar Tree. It is this grout cleaning brush. I thought that was interesting, and you know, I am affiliated with the Super Clean company and do a lot of videos for them, and I am very curious to see how this grout cleaning brush works in combination with the Super Clean solution, because the Super Clean stuff, I'm telling you, that is some potent stuff, and it gets stuff like really clean. And I want to see how, like I said, the 2 combo together. It shows the before and after with using this grout scrubber. Picked it up at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It might have been $1.50. I don't know. I don't think I have my receipt anymore. I'll look and see if I have my receipt, and if I do, I will put it in the description, because I'm actually not sure. And if y'all have seen these and you know, comment down below and let me know. It says suitable for cleaning grout in bathrooms, kitchens, and other tiled surfaces. So I got a decent amount of some tiled surfaces that certainly I could try this on. And I guess the company name is Handy Helpers. That's what it says. Yeah, it says simple to rinse clean after use, maintaining hygiene and prolonging the brush life. It's compact size, easy to store and handle, making it convenient for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning. And then this fits right down inside of the handle. So yeah, let me take this apart and I'll show you guys. So yeah, apparently this just goes right down in there like that for easy storage. And you can use this, obviously, and then it's got 2 other ends that you could really use to get down into the grout to get the item, you know, to get the area clean. So maybe I'll do a video and in combo with my Super Clean, and that way you guys can see just how well it works. So I'm real excited to try that. When I seen it, I actually went in there to look for, I was looking for a Dolly Parton coloring book. Tony, my BB over at Creative Chica Halls and More, her and I were talking about it, you know, because Dolly had passed away, unfortunately. And so we were talking about it, and I had been seeing people haul those coloring books and was commenting on them anyways, wanting to get one. So I went into our store. I didn't go to all of our stores, but I went into our store, our largest store, and they didn't have it. And I didn't check the other ones, so if I get a chance, I might. But Tony did find some on Amazon. So anyways, I went in there, and that's when I found that. I saw that hanging, because I thought, well, I'm here, I might as well just do a quick walkthrough. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, you're coming home with me. I'm curious about that. So I got that. Anyways, the other item I wanted to show you guys is this little turtle. Y'all remember my son had made me the 3D cross. I didn't paint it. Him and I talked about it, and I said, what do you think? He said, I'd leave it white. And I said, you know what? It's beautiful. I'm going to leave it white. But this one I did paint. And it's a little turtle. It's so cute. So I did this at my son's house, I started and I finished all of it, but like the foot, and then I finished that one at my house. But I think I took it back over to show him, or maybe he was over at our house and he saw it. But anyways, I wanted to give it big, dramatic blue eyes. I really don't know if they look like sad or they look happy. I can't really tell, but I just thought they were super sweet, and I painted them big and blue. I painted the whole thing instead of just like a little speck and then doing the other like around black or something. I just did the whole thing blue just to give it a dramatic kind of look. And then I have some of the seal stuff at the house that you spray on your like on your molds and things, and so I went ahead and sprayed it so it gives it kind of like a shine, luster to it. But I just thought it was super cute, and I wanted to share that with you guys. My son, he made a few of them and gave them out, and so I painted it at his house and finished it at mine, and wanted to share that with you guys. So all right, friends, hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you've worked with, or you have a 3D printer, or if you've used this grout tool here, or if you've seen it, or if you're gonna go look for it. All right, I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye y'all.